People living with HIV in South Africa can now take 1 pill a day instead of 4 as part of their antiretroviral treatment. The government has launched the new drug known as Atroiza, which is a combination of 3 antiretroviral drugs as part of an initiative to help increase the number of patients on antiretrovirals by nearly 15%. ITV'S Hassan Isilow has more on the story.
The Department of Health says the single-dose anti-AIDS drug is aimed at simplifying the treatment for people living with the HIV virus in the country. South Africa has nearly 6 million people infected with HIV, one of the heaviest caseloads in the world. It also has one of the largest treatment programs. Currently, 1.7 million patients are on ARV treatment, and the government hopes to expand this to 2.5 million by the end of 2014. AIDS is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, which is transmitted through bodily fluids from an infected person. The condition gradually destroys the immune system, making it harder for the body to fight infections. ARV drugs boost the body's ability to deal with the opportunistic infections caused by AIDS. Catherine Chimuka, the HIV/AIDS project manager at Pedison Clinic, says Atroiza will make taking life-prolonging drugs less of a burden for patients.
Instead of taking a bulk of treatment, the patients will only take 7. If perhaps she's going to spend 7 days in London, she'll only take 7 tablets alone. And then this is going to reduce a lot of stigma attached to this. The other thing that will reduce stigma is education. You have to educate clients and the community about accepting those people, those who are infected with HIV unconditional.
The Department of Health says the current regimen of swallowing various tablets at a go is expensive and unsustainable. Atroiza is a cheaper option. The government will spend $10 per patient per month, down from the initial $43 a month. Domestic and international pharmaceutical companies have been contracted to manufacture the all-in-one drug. Health experts say the one-tablet dose will improve compliance and reduce the risk of patients' non-compliance with the treatment dosage, as well as reduce side effects associated with taking a cocktail of pills.
The main aim of this FDC drug is to improve adherence, to reduce the toxicity of the drugs, and also to improve the clinical outcome.
For ITV News, I'm Hassan Isilow reporting.